What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the page to the channel. My name is Rashad. We're living by the code, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about why I decided to drop out my CS degree, and I decided that it wasn't for me. So, prefix: I do not think that everybody with a CS degree should drop out, or if you're on the kind of fence on whether you should go or not, please watch this video all the way through, because I do think it's certain criteria that if you meet these, you should, and if you don't, that you shouldn't. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the reason that I decided that it kind of wasn't for me is because the type of software development or web development that I was doing at that time. So with me, prior to enrolling in WGU for the computer science degree, I already had experience with the type of development that I was doing, which was I was doing a lot of agency work. I was doing a lot of WordPress, PHP, things like that, and doing a lot of work for small businesses. And in that arena, a degree is just not really, it kind of doesn't hold any weight. The only thing that employers, contractors, they wanted to know was, did I know WordPress? Did I know PHP? Did I know how to optimize a landing page for conversion, UX, UI, and things like that? Like, they only cared Shopify, WooCommerce, things like that. So for me, it was kind of pointless of continuing to go into school, learning all the different types of math and, world history 101s and things like that, for something that at this point in time of my life that the employers and the small businesses that I work with just don't see value in it. Now, I think that there's three different layers of developers. You have layer one, which I consider myself, which is kind of more of those freelance skills, which is like WordPress, Shopify, PHP, and not just really like plug and play, y'all. I'm talking about like developing, like knowing how to develop a custom WordPress, things for, themes and stuff like that, and know how to, troubleshoot Shopify bugs and know how to kind of get it to do what you want, WooCommerce and things like that. So I really say that's kind of like level one. Like it doesn't take, email, HTML, email development as well. Major one I can't forget. Things like that. It don't take a rocket scientist to kind of figure them out. You can figure these things out. It's simple code, HTML, CSS, mostly PHP, a little bit of JavaScript, and you're good to go, right? So that's on the level one. Then I think that it's more so of a level two when you start using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other languages, frameworks, React, you mix in, Node, like you full stacking JavaScript, and you building the applications from the bottom up. A lot of times those are still web applications. They're just not self-hosted on like a WordPress or anything like that. I think that's like level two. And then you have like that top tier level of developer that's like developing like machine learning programs and algorithms for Tesla, auto drive, pilot assist, and stuff like that, right? So if you are like a level two, like you want to work at Tesla and you want to learn how to develop algorithms that tell autonomous driving cars whether it should go left or right, if that's you should definitely have a degree. If you want to develop at a FANG company, you want to work with complex algorithms, even if it's for a website, which is Facebook and Amazon really are. It's an e-commerce store, and Facebook is a website. Those type of companies, because the level of competition, I think that you should get a degree as well. But if you just want to make money developing and you want to work with small businesses, I don't think that a degree is worth it at all. They only care about can you doing a job. The time that you taking learning math, you can be learning, UX, UI. The time you learning history, you can be learning WordPress. Hopefully you already know HTML, CSS, but you can pick up PHP, learn how to use WordPress, Shopify, HTML, email development, things like that those small businesses in that agency world, they actually pay for. So that is my 2 cents. So depending on which one you are, that's, to my opinion, that's if you should go to college or not. But in my case, like I said, I was like that level one, so it was no need for me to continue to go to school because I just didn't see any value in it at that time. So that's it for this video. I don't want to make it too long. I know everybody's attention span is super short. So if you like the video, please give it 2 thumbs up. if you have an opinion, which I'm sure you do, please leave a comment down below. If there's any other video that you guys want me to make, also leave that in the comment. If you need my help with anything, you want to ask me a few questions, I'm gonna leave my email in the description as well. But until next time, guys, happy coding.